Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, November 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Hope you all had a nice weekend. So, we said on Friday in the video in our recap that was a vicious short covering rally. And we said we'd see on Monday if there's a follow through, right? We said sometimes the market needs to rally before it breaks again. Well, as of this morning, that's not the case. As after we go out with a price spike and a price probe, okay, in ES and in NQ. Well, NQ only had the price probe. We are now looking to gap higher with a pretty large gap. Now, that means a couple things. Number one, the daily comes back to balance. Number two, balance rules will come into play in the weekly, right? The weekly's balanced now. So balance is going to be the big thing as the daily comes back to it, and the weekly balance rules will be in play at some point, whether we go and test the balance high or the balance low at some point this week. NQ is also looking to leave an island bottom, right, with the monthly low. Right? We made the monthly low on Friday. We gapped lower. The gap held. Now we're gapping higher. So, again, the bulls have been very, very resilient all year. Righty also looking to gap higher. Remember, they price spiked late in the day in J. 2 sets of single prints. And now, here they are. Gapping higher, taking back the trend day from the 6th, as they also putting the daily back to balance, and balance rules in the weekly are in play. Right now, you can see ES is stopped right at the 6th high. Okay, how big is our balance going to be? Well, we don't know yet, right? So to start the day, it would be Thursday, Friday, and Monday. But if we go higher, then you're going to encompass probably the 5th also. Don't forget the 5th had a poor high. So it's going to, we'll see at the end of the day how big the balance is on the daily. Obviously, the overnight is all long, 100% long. I mean, not only do we gap above Friday, look at the overnight low. That's 18 handles above Friday's high. So it's been a very positive and powerful move so far in the overnight and the pre-market. Will it continue is the question, okay? Again, at 9:15, we start going over all the scenarios, both bull and bear, what we would look to do potentially at 9:30. Chart-wise, I did a whole recap on Friday, so if you didn't watch it, please take the time to do that this morning. Here's your monthly. So far now, this is November 10th, so we're a third of the way through the month. After today, so far it's an inside month. That does not stop the one-time framing on the monthly. It does at least pause it, but there's still 2/3 of the month to go. The weekly, we said, was a 3-week balance. Last week's low was the low of it. The prior week's all-time high was the high of it. So balance rules will come into play if we get near that. It's a 3-week balance. Okay? And the daily is going to be going from down to balance. The 20-day moving average right now is 673.69. So as of now, we're $3 above it. And as far as triple Qs and NQ go, again, that's a very nice looking daily candle, by the way, that hammer off the 50-day moving average. Their 20 is at 615.51. So again, $3 above it. And the weekly, 3-week balance, same thing. Last week's low, the prior week's all-time high. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.